Assalamu alaikum. In this video, gradient text in Photopea. Let's begin. Create a new project, create a new layer, select the text, right click, type tool and use text color. I use the black color and click type anything. Then again double click, then select, increase the size. Effect, color, gradient overlay. Select the drop down menu for gradient, click this icon and use any gradient color and you can use custom color. Double click and edit custom color, create custom plate, click, OK and move scale, angle, opacity, lighten, click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.